So I know this is a daunting task for a lot of people. It's pulling the axle bearing off a swing axle tube and getting that changed out. And there's a lot of different methods to do this, but this is what I found worked the best. What I've done is the inner plate, I've undone all the nuts off of there, and then this is a 6-inch gear puller. So you take the 6-inch gear puller and put it where your backing plate would go. Start to snug it up. And then you're going to use the axle to pull itself out. So I'm just going to crank it, and the bearing is going to start coming up with the axle tube. So the axle tube is actually coming up off of the side plate, and as that's coming off, it's pulling the bearing. So you're actually using the axle tube to pull your bearing off. And this goes pretty quick. That's it, it just broke free. And you can see that's coming up there. Let's give it a good crank. And that's it, it's off. So just gonna do that. Pull up your parts, keep everything separate. Right and left sides are all going to be keyed together. And you got your bearing loose off the axle. Now you just got to get it out of the housing. Easy enough. All right, we'll let you know how it goes putting it all back together.